Good morning. Section 194J. This is an amendment in Finance Act 2020, which is amended by our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaram. Drop your pens. कुछ भी नहीं करना है. 1 hour you just listen. Lot of points you have to write. पहले कॉन्सेप्ट को समझा देता हूं मैं. Loudly together with me. Give me the headings of my TDS table. Page number. You leave that right now. Next. Section we know. 194J. Next. Louder. 6 payments are covered in this section. How many re? 6. 194I rent. 194E non-resident sports person, non-resident sports association and Justin Barber non-resident entertainer. 194IA buyer and seller, transfer of immovable property. Here how many nature of payments? So there are 6 nature of payments covered, and out of which you know only one. Professional services. कौन सा सर्विसेस रे? Professional services. Under that we'll divide again into 3. What do you mean? Limit amount per annum and TDS rate. ठीक है? Let us first talk about meaning. Meaning of what? Come to our module. Page number 37. Module 1. Number the note points. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 है क्या? चेक करो. Hey, 16 है क्या? चेक करो. 16 points. बोलो यार प्लीज. ओके, अब यहां देखो. We should what we should write under meaning. You have to write point number 6 under meaning. Let us read. हेलो, which point रे? 6th. ये वाला. Professional, read with me together. Professional means services rendered by a person in the course of carrying. Stop. Carrying on. उसके बाद you will write those points in bullets. You will write the points in bullets. Bullets बोलतो. First bullet will be legal. समझ में आ रहा? Second one, advocates are covered here, doctors are covered here, engineers, profession of, you also fall under here. बोलतो when you render services to your client and client makes a payment to you, client should deduct TDS under 194J because you rendered professional services. Here 2 parties are involved: service provider, service recipient. 194IA में seller, buyer. Here provider, recipient. Who should deduct TDS? Recipient will deduct TDS. Recipient is the deductee, provider is the deductor. I'm sorry. Recipient is the deductor, provider is deductee. चलो next. हाँ, टेक्निकल कंसल्टेंसी, इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन, इनकम टैक्स प्रोफेशनल కాదు, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोफेशनल. बोले तो सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर. नेक्स्ट, स्पोर्ट्स परसेंट, यू नो। नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट में लिखो इंक्लूडिंग एक्टर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, कैमरामैन, कोरियोग्राफर एक्सेट्रा। लिखो आर्टिस्ट, एक्टर्स, डायरेक्टर, कोरियोग्राफर, सिनेमाटोग्राफर एक्सेट्रा। नेक्स्ट उसके बाद क्या है? एम्पायर वी नो, कोच वी नो, ट्रेनर, इवेंट मैनेजर, कमेंटेटर्स, एंकर्स, टीम, फिजिशियन। लिखो फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, लिखते जाओ प्लीज राइट, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, स्पोर्ट्स कॉलमनिस्ट, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, स्पोर्ट्स कॉलमनिस्ट, इवेंट मैनेजर्स, related to sports activities, event managers related to sports activities. This is the definition of professionals. ठीक है, चलो अब यहां देखो, ये पूरा लिखना when you write in the notebook. अब यहां देखो ऑन द स्क्रीन प्लीज, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चार्ट है ये, सुनो। नेक्स्ट, हाँ मीनिंग हो गया। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड लाइक दिस नाउ, यू प्रोवाइडेड ऑडिट सर्विसेज टू योर क्लाइंट, हु विल मेक द पेमेंट? ऑडिटर, client. That come under which services? Client should deduct if the audit fees is more than 30,000. If the audit fees is 30, bill is 70,000, will you deduct TDS at the rate of 10%? At the rate of 10%. First tree clear. सर इसमें बहुत लिखना है, so please अच्छे से लिखना. I'll give you proper time. How many payments are covered? 6. We covered the first. Next आता FTS, फीस फॉर टेक्निकल सर्विसेज. क्या होता है फुल फॉर्म, वापिस बोलो? फीस फॉर टेक्निकल सर्विसेज. अगेन 3 trees, meaning limit amount, TDS rate. क्लियर? बोलो यार. लिमिट अमाउंट रिमेन्स द सेम. कौन सा? TDS rate also remains the how much? But Sita Raman reduced this to 2% as per Finance Act. I can expect this in coming examination. Yes, you can expect this in coming examination. Next lecture may I'll tell you the reason also. Right now we are at premature stage. Even if I explain, you will not understand. Next lecture may please remind. If you want, I'll give you the reason for the change. Now what do you mean by meaning? You have to copy point 8, page 37. Read karo. Fees for technical services means fees for rendering any managerial, technical or consultancy services. Limit amount how much? Louder yaar, 30,000. TDS rate how much? 2%. Shall I continue? Third one आता. Non compete fees. क्या कहते? Non-compete fees. This is defined under section 28 of clause 5A of Income Tax Act. Again 3 trees, meaning limit amount, rate of TDS. Limit amount remains the same, 30,000. Each बोल के लिखना. क्या लिखना? Each. Rate of TDS is also 10%. Meaning I will give you one example. That example you have to copy under meaning. अब सुनो क्या होता. Which word? Meaning of. बोलो रे. Non compete fees. Give me 2 Tollywood actors, please. Quick. 2 Tollywood actors. I'll take my favorite. Chiranjeevi. Why should I listen to you? Waste fellow. Chiranjeevi. और एक बोलो. Mahesh Babu. Okay. Nice job. And my favorite director, Ram Gopal Verma. सुनो. You can relate, you can remember the example. That's what I'm taking. अब सुनो क्या हुआ. Mahesh Babu. नहीं. Sorry. No. Give me 2 directors. Ram Gopal Verma. I was watching one movie 3 days back. 24 on Watch. Who was the director of that movie? Vikram. I like that movie. Nice movie. You know who went to that movie? Me, my Kattappa, and Srinivas. We 3 went to that movie. That is Malayadri, me and Srinivas went to that movie. Which one? 20 Kattappa kada 24. And Mahesh Babu. Suno. Both are approaching him for a movie. Who both? RGV and Vikram. But he has time to only select one movie out of these 2. Okay. First, RGV went to Mahesh Babu and said, "This is the script. I'll narrate the script." He narrated. Mahesh Babu didn't like. He said, "I'll give you 10 crores for the movie." Reject. 20 crores for the movie. Reject. 40 crores for the movie. Reject. He said, "I'll give you 60 crores. Don't do my movie." Okay. Reject Vikram's offer also. Reject Vikram's offer also. Then I'm Indian. If I cannot climb the tree and someone else is climbing, pull him down. Who is making payment to whom? RGV2. That amount is called non-compete fees. In GST it is called forbearance of an act. Forbearance of an act. It is a supply of service. Here RGV will be supposed to deduct TDS. Another example of, I am a partner in a partnership firm. I am retiring. Firm said, "I'll pay you 10 crores. Do not join any competitor's business for the next 10 years. समझ में आ रहा? Who is making the payment to whom? Firm is paying to the retiring partner for not to join the competitor's line of business for the next 10 years. That amount also will be called non-compete fees. आप ये एग्जाम्पल लिख लो, वो भी लिख लो, चलता मेरे को. I cannot give the meaning of it, I can give you the examples of it. ठीक है, चलो ये हो गया. How many are done? 3. Fourth one is, सर मेरे पास वो नहीं है place, so I'm covering the next one. 4th, 5th, 6th. I'm covering in the next page, but you have to write there only. 4th, 5th, and 6th. 5th one is payment to directors. क्या कहते? पेमेंट टू डायरेक्टर. Sir, but in my articles, if a company makes payment to directors, 192 will apply. TDS on salary, on director's remuneration. So government clarified payment to other than salary and remuneration, because that is covered under 192. Director standing fees. Standing nahi ra, waste fellow. Sitting ra re. Director sitting fees. Correct? The director got a very big contract to the company. Director got very big contract. We paid him commission. Next. Director is a advocate. Director is an advocate. Someone filed a case against the company and director fought the case for the company, and company made the payment to the director. This case only will apply. Usme, hello, there is no meaning. Meaning limit amount, TDS rate. ठीक है? TDS rate is 10%. मीनिंग में कुछ ना को लिखो. लिमिट, नो लिमिट. क्या कहते? रिमेंबर, नाउ कंफ्यूजन स्टार्ट्स. हियर प्रोफेशनल सर्विसेज में लिमिट अमाउंट 30, FTS लिमिट अमाउंट 30, नॉन कॉम्पिट फीस लिमिट अमाउंट, payment to directors, no limit. TDS rate for professional, technical was 10% only, revised to 2%. Non-compete fee TDS rate 10%, and director sitting fees TDS rate, that is also 10%. Am I clear? बोलो रे. चलो next point number 5th हो गया. 6th one, payment to call centers. Payment to, listen, waste fellow, don't use your extra knowledge, not required. Example से समझाता मैं, सुन लो. SBI has entered an agreement with call center companies. SBI has come up with a new credit card. SBI has shared their account contact details of their customers to the call center and told them call them and explain the features of new credit card. Who will make payment to whom? SBI to call center. This section will apply. मीनिंग में वो एग्जाम्पल लिख लेना जो भी लिखाया. लिमिट अमाउंट इज 30,000 each and the rate is 10% revised to 2%. Revised to 2%. Shall I continue? Amendment यहां भी आया. In case of royalty, this I will explain later on in module 2 under section 9 of Income Tax Act. Do not ask the meaning right now. I will not be in a position to give the meaning. Okay. Limit amount is 30,000. I repeat, for royalty only 2 trees. For others there are 3 trees. For royalty only 2. And rate of TDS. यहां amendment आया. Amendment क्या आया? Assuming, let me take practical example. Give me one very famous Telugu film. No, apart from that, sir. Arjun Reddy. यादीरप्पा. कौन यादीरप्पा? I जान दो. What I know I'll tell रे भाई. मेरे को which I don't know how can I say. सुनो रे. Arjun Reddy was made in Telugu. It was remade in Hindi. Clear? Please सुनो, तमिल में होगा जान दो. Same happened with Drishyam also. Please सुनो रे. Assuming I want to remake that Arjun Reddy in Hindi, I have to buy the rights of the Telugu film. Correct? For which I have to make the payment. That payment is called royalty. And before, I should deduct TDS at 10%. At 10%, they have reduced to 2%. Appado, rate of, if it is royalty in nature of, in sale, distribution, exhibition of cinema films of, this is 2% added by Finance Act 2020. AOR, any other royalty that they have kept at 10% only. This is the amendment. Two amendments we have in this section. One is fees for technical services was reduced from 10 to 2. This also from 10 to 2. This is not amendment, this is amendment of 19, not now. But Finance Act 20 में 2 amendments only we have. This is only the overview. Then we will go into depth. The depth part before you start copying is, हाँ sorry अभी तक starting हुआ ही नहीं. हाँ मेरे को TDS का टेबल वापस बोलो, पेज नंबर छोड़ दो. नेक्स्ट section we wrote, nature of payment we wrote. Next, deductor. सुनो, deductor whatever we wrote for 194I you will copy. Don't write like this, champesta. Whatever we wrote for I you will copy. Next, deductee 99% cases में that fellow should be from India, any resident person. Next, limit amount we wrote for each one separately. Next, we wrote everything separately. Next, we are in special note point only. अरे we are in special note point only. ठीक है. अब continue the chart. We will write other points on 194J. ठीक है. Come to your material or module. Come to your material or module. This will be taken as homework. Point 4 tick करो. Point 4. Point 5. Point number 10. What is point number 10 starting with? Point number 10. Point number 16. Stock exchange BSE NSE. हाँ, point number 16. ठीक है, ठीक है, यहाँ तक तो लिखना. Other 2 points I'll dictate. हाँ ठीक है. This is homework. Make a note. You have to write and come. Only 4 points. Now you start writing. चलो. Hello, this has only 3 trees. Once you complete, let me know. You will copy. I'll shift the page to 4, 5 and 6. Example of non-compete fees. Which example you will write? Meaning में that RGB, whatever you want to write, you can write the example. I have no issues with that. Start. ठीक है, हो गया. I hope you should common sense prevail. This should be copied horizontally. I need not tell you that. common sense will prevail, should prevail. ठीक है, रीजन हो गया। So how many payments are covered in this section of 194J? 6 payments are covered, starting with professional, fees for technical, non-compete fees, royalty, payment to directors other than salary or remuneration, and payment to call centers. Chalo, suno. This was how many trees on the chart on the screen? 3, 4, 5, 6 is here. Before that, what is the homework points? Wapis bolo. Homework points 4, 5, 10, 16. Page number 37/38, module 1. See you in the next session. Please complete it. Students who are watching it through Google Pen Drive, pause the video and complete this, please. See you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.